today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make edible slime. Let's do this. First thing first, I have a giveaway for this 2 subscribers as well because they subscribe. But yeah, if you want to grab this 2 fidget spinner, you may subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So let's start the video. First you want something to mix in and something to mix with. Clear glue. Detergent. So you mind. And thank you for those who give this to me. Lot of glue and thank you very much. I think glue very well. Add in the detergent. Build it. Then mix it all around. It's turning into slime and it's very big, very well. Very sticky, not able to touch. Oh no, this is wet. Okay. So yeah, keep on mixing. So you may add a little bit of this. So yeah, you need to knead it and it's really important. Keep on kneading it till sila combine. We have the accents to make the container really clean. So yeah, it became really slimy and it totally worked. You may do this at home. It's really easy, really easy, like anyone can make. So yeah, I really like this one. If you want a closer look, you may have a closer look. I like it very much. Really fun to make. And yeah. And there's even poking sounds. Look, hear it. Really hope you like this video. Hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe in my channel to have fidget spinner. You're just gonna do is to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you make this one really well. And yeah. See you guys next time. Love, guys.